Hey guys, GP Mushrooms. I'm going to show you how to make a very simple liquid for liquid culture. So let's do this. Alright guys, for this liquid, for the liquid culture, I'm going to go ahead and go with Carol corn syrup. I mean, you can use honey too. I usually get organic, but I'm going to go ahead and inoculate this jar with some Italian spores. And they seem to do really good in that Carol corn syrup. And all you need is 1 tablespoon, 2 cups of hot water, and a couple of drywall screws. Throw your drywall screws in there. Pour your 2 cups of water in there. And now I'm going to put a tablespoon of Carol light syrup in there. Alright, there we go. I got my 1 tablespoon of Carol corn syrup in there. I'm going to pressure cook it. Of course, you got to put foil on it before you stick it in the pressure cooker, and you're going to pressure cook it for 15 minutes at 15 psi. Alright, it's been pressure cooked at 15 psi for 15 minutes, and it looks good. Now it's ready for inoculation. Either some liquid culture or some spores. But of course, I'm a spore kind of guy. I hope that helps. Have a good day, guys.